I've had a couple people reach out to me wanting some more information on some of our pups. We are always looking for foster parents. We will provide food, bowls, beds, toys, anything that the dogs might need. Unfortunately, we are not allowed to adopt anybody out of state, so if you're in the state of Michigan, please reach out. You can always call, do a walk-in. A lot of our dogs are posted online through Livingston County official website. We get new pups in at least once a day, so we're always full, always taking dogs in. Every dog that is on this video is available for adoption, and the white pit bull puppies are available next week for adoption after they are spayed and neutered. Please, please, please reach out if you are interested. If you know anybody who's looking for a dog, please share.